Hi everyone. I'm gonna try and keep this short. We're gonna do another ed puzzle quiz, whatever, over this video of just kind of what we're going to be doing this week. So we're going to be continuing working on our projects. I definitely find this weekly calendar. I'll make sure it's at the top of your guys' stream here. And so these are the things that you need to be working on. So go ahead and click on that weekly calendar that is on Google Classroom. And what we have this week, I definitely want you to start with this ed puzzle, and then posted will be a video explanation of an Adobe Spark for your country project. And then here's some things that you can be working on this week. All right, your ed puzzle video, this with its quiz questions, is due on Wednesday. Okay. Um, And then I want your presentations are due this week, your trifold presentations. If for whatever reason you cannot get those done, you need to be communicating that with me. Also, pictures of your ethnic food, your dessert that you're making is due this week as well. So on Thursday, by Thursday, I want you guys to send me an updated picture of your trifold, okay? So I just need to see a picture of it to see where you're at with it and attach that, and that way I can see where you're at with your progress. If you're done with it, great. If you're not done with it, it's not a big deal, okay? Then there will be on Thursday an introduction video on how to create a virtual tour for our country project. Because then next week we're going to start working on websites. And so with this Adobe Spark explanation and this virtual tour explanation, those won't be due until next week, but you can start working on those things if you want to. Okay, the big thing is going to be your presentation this week to make sure you get that done. And then your country profile number 4 is due on Friday at 8 a.m. just like they always are, okay? So those are the things that you can be working on. This is just kind of an outline for the week for what you could be doing there, okay? So everything is going to be on Classroom. I'll make sure all due dates and whatnot are good to go. For the most part, you guys did a pretty good job last week of doing stuff. So let's try and do that again this week. Just pay attention to that calendar and definitely email me if you have any questions. Okay? Have a good week, everyone.